Hey, Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. Thanks for stopping by the garage. We're going to road test. We've got Danny on the camera today. We're out road testing the Optima charger, the 12-volt maintainer for the holiday season and beyond, right? So this is our first look at it. We just got it in the mail. Probably one of the best packaged and best organized kits I've seen in a long, long time, right? Everything you see came with it here. Obviously the charger. They have cable ends. They have different cable ends for it, depending upon what you're charging in terms of a battery. Okay, you can adapt on. We're going to be doing a 12-volt battery today, but they make it so that you have ends for if you want to leave it connected right to your vehicle. They also have the adapter if you're doing an orange top lithium for your power sport battery. Okay, and they're just making this so it works on everything. It's a very smart tool is my first impression. Let's take off the screen protector, which they very nicely put on there for us. Danny, bring the camera in. We're going to hook up to this battery. We've been trying to get this battery up to charge. It's for the Monte Carlo, actually, which is behind me to the right. And we're going to let this sit up and see what it does. So we've connected it. Okay, now you notice, make a quick set selection now, right? So we're going to choose automotive application. It's analyzing the battery. It's deciding what it is. All right, and you're going to see it turn on, and all of a sudden it will start to charge and just do the maintenance. It will put up to a little over 4 amps into the battery once it gets an idea of what it is that it's dealing with. So it's thinking. It's just so nice and easy, right? It's quick, simple, and clean. And it's going to do this for you automatically, which is basically what you want. You don't want to be having to think about this. This is for maintenance. And see, now it's charging. It's going to bring this battery up. Look at the amperage climb. Boom. And it'll stay there and maintain that battery. And that's the idea here, okay? So if you're parking the hot rod or the toy or the motorcycle, whatever it is you're driving, for the winter, you need one of these, all right? Holiday season is here. It's a good time to think about it. Also, year-round think about it. But the idea is that this is something that will help maintain the vehicle battery. The battery, you don't have to worry about the battery going dead. You don't have to worry about starting the car to charge the battery and so on and all the drama that creates. You can't leave a vehicle battery on a constant charge all the time. It will overcharge the battery and that causes damage. This is a maintainer and a charger to proper levels. It's all built into the diagnostics and the circuitry of the tool. Danny, bring the camera in real quick again. And if you notice, they do give you choices. It will do an Optima AGM, an Optima lithium battery, power sport, and so on. So they've got everything in the tool for you, and that's what you want. That's what you're looking for, all right? That's the Optima D400 Plus charger available from Optima. Get out to OptimaBatteries.com, I believe is the website, and you can find more information. I'm Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. I'll see you guys on radio.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian The Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.